Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background layer so you can always revert. Once done, make a rough selection around the reflection using the lasso or pen tool. Feather the edge 5 to 15 pixels to blend. Next, add a blank layer above and check sample all layers in the clone stamp or healing brush. That way you clone non-destructively. You do this because sampling all layers preserves tonal information while keeping edits editable. This prevents color shifts later. Now you remove the reflection by rebuilding texture and color. Use the clone stamp at 20 to 50% opacity to lay down structure from nearby non-reflective areas, making sure your source point sits outside the glare. Once the structure is approximated, switch to the healing brush or spot healing to blend edges and match color and grain. This corrects subtle luminance differences. Work in small strokes and resample, often with Alt or Option, so repeated patterns don't give away the fix. Finish by matching texture and tonality so the repair disappears. If texture and color still differ, use a quick frequency separation or a subtle surface blur on a duplicated area to reconcile them. Then add a clipped curves or levels layer to match local brightness and color. Paint the mask to confine corrections. Finally, sharpen the fixed region lightly, only after everything else. Troubleshooting tip: if edges or halos appear, step back to the duplicate and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.